little friends. Welcome to the Xekids.
Hello friends, welcome back to Xekids. In today's video, we will teach you how to draw teddy bear. First we will draw the teddy bear's body shape. Then we will draw his belly and leg along with double outline. Then we will draw the ears of the teddy bear so that he can hear our sweet words. Draw the eyebrows. Then draw the eyes with small circles. Then draw the eyes area. Draw the teeth. Then draw the hands. Then draw the bag so that our teddy bear went to the school with his bag. Finally, draw the legs and his feet, ready to go out to school. Instant ready.
If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like, share and subscribe button. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.